Hello, welcome back to Mad Crypto. Today I just have a very quick little review video on a website called SetBroker. SetBroker is a trading platform. It's unique in the way that you can trade forex pairs and Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, but you can trade the forex pairs using Bitcoin. I'm not sure where else I've seen that. That's very unique in compared to a lot of other trading platforms. One thing I want to mention is that the SetBroker is not open to residents or citizens of the USA, like a lot of trading platforms. Some of you may have heard of Zulu Trade. Well, SetBroker is the crypto side of Zulu Trade. Here I am on the SetBroker website. This is the home page of it. Obviously, the first thing they promote on the homepage is their copy trading platform. They have a very extensive range of traders on there that you can copy. So we'll just have a quick look through the website. So if you want to just go straight to sign up, you have that button right there. With their copy trading, they have all their top performers ranked, so you can see what they're trading, see what trades they're making. So you can get a better idea of who the person you're actually copying, what their sort of trading strategy is. We're on the copy trade page of the website now. Here we can see some of the top performing traders. This person top, Asha Pro, you can see there is 2008 investors copying him, and his ROI is 56% with a 5-star rating. So you can easily see who you're copying, who you're putting your money into. Here we can see there's loads of options. Another thing about the SetBroker website, like any good website should have, there is 24/7 support. So if you run into any problems, get onto them. The max you can trade without KYC is 2 Bitcoin. So you can trade up to 2 Bitcoin without KYC. After 2 Bitcoin, you have to go through KYC. Have a go for yourself. It seems like a nice, clean site. I'm going to put a link in the description. So click on that, sign up, give it a trial. I'm going to be giving it my own trial, and I will make a video later down the line updating you on my results with SetBroker. But for today, that's all for this video. Just a little quick one to showing you a website that I've come across that I'm going to give it a try. That's it for this video. I just wanted to show you a platform that I'm going to be giving a try over the next couple of months. If you like it, let me know in the comments. If you've used it, let me know in the comments any pros and cons about it. But for today, that is it. Thank you for watching Mad Crypto. Thank you.